Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So cartoon animation videos are perfect for storytelling, YouTube content and social media. With OpenArt you can create stylized characters and animate them into short scenes, then combine everything into a full animation. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to make cartoon animation videos using OpenArt in 2026. So choose your cartoon style, like start with a clear style, pick 2D cartoon, anime, Pixar style, which is a 3D cartoon. Define colors, mood, audience like kids, teens, etc. For example, colorful 2D cartoon, bright colors, playful style, and then create your characters. So open OpenArt's image generator. Like from here, design your main characters, so include face, outfit, expression. For example, you have this prompt. Okay, this is just an example prompt. Okay, so cartoon boy, big eyes, colorful outfit, smiling, 2D animation style. So save your best version. Okay, so this is your main character reference. Keep characters consistent, so use same prompt structure, same character description, reference, image. So add same character in prompt, okay, because consistency is key. So create scene prompts, like break your story into scenes, like for example scene 1 character walking, scene 2 talking, scene 3 action. Okay, for example like this. So same cartoon character walking in a park, colorful background, 2D animation style. Okay, so after that generate animated clips, like use OpenArt video generator, create clips for each scene. Okay, like keep clips from 3 to 5 seconds, focus on one action per clip, and build your animation step by step. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.